Hello everyone, this is me Jahanzeb Alvi. Welcome to Research Solution. Today we are gonna learn something very special. We are going to learn data visualization, data presentation and data analysis. For that we have got some data in Excel sheet, and that data set retrieved from the Pakistan Stock Exchange, having number of sectors, many companies and some of the numeric data. It is an art and science that how do we convert the data into information, and that art right now we are gonna learn that how a data is made meaningful. In easy word, that how a data set is converted into information, and that information is required a lot in any entity. For that, let's move towards the data sheet and just begin the game. Here we go. The exhibiting Excel sheet is showing some sectors in column A, some companies in column B, and rest of the quantitative data. For that, we have to convert that quantitative data into information, or we have to make some data presentation for that we can understand it well. Now let me clarify something, that for instance, we don't know that how many companies are there. There are the two ways to come to know that how many companies are there. One, if you select entire companies, so automatically Excel give you counts here on the bottom of the screen as 449. And another method that we can calculate the count by using a formula. If I use is equal and use the formula of count, I press the tab, this will open the formula, and I select entire entities, and I press enter. The counter formula return me the total number of entities as 449. Okay, move forward. We are going to make the data in meaningful. Now what we want from here, we have made some presentation here, the sector in this section, number of companies in each sector, nature of that sector, whether it is manufacturing or non-manufacturing, and the volume of entire sector on the basis of market value. And then we will assign the rank of each sector and the contribution or market share of that sector. For that will make us understand the nature of this entire data set, and that will also make some meaning to this data set. As you know that the stock exchanges are the reflection of economics. Similarly, here we are developing some facts and figure that will help us to understand the Pakistan Stock Exchange. Okay, first of all, what we need here, the sectors. Okay, we are going to select the sectors. We copy all 449 sectors and pass special here as values. Again, we will pass here as a special by using the command Alt ES, Alt plus E plus S. Press this button simultaneously as Alt ES. Again, I will copy this and I will press copy this Alt ES simultaneously. This will open the pass special window, and I am going to select as values. That means there is no formula. Okay, move forward. There are the duplicates, and we have to remove all the duplicates by the command. Yes, we have to remove duplicates from this section window. Okay, select entire factors, go to the data, and use the command as remove duplicates. If you select that, if you click remove duplicates, it will open a window, and window will ask you what do you want to delete, and you are going to delete from the selection. So just check on the selection, continue with the current selection, check here. If you press the remove duplicates, it will ask you again that are you sure, do you want to delete it. For example, if I press OK, it's asking me should I delete. I said yes. It will remove 34 duplicates, and now again we can see there are by count 34 sectors. We can assign them a serial number as 1, as 2, select both of them, and when you put the mouse here, arrow here, it will ask you a cross sign, and if you double click here, automatically it will be expanded towards down as 34. Okay, go to the home, send them in the middle. Okay, that is fine. Now what if you want from this sector, that how many companies are there in this sector? I will use the formula of count if to get to know that how many companies are there in this. Okay, I will open the formula as count if, press tab, I will select the range, entire range, press F4 to fix the range, then I use comma, and I will ask from this sector give me the companies. It will ask me the companies. Okay, close the bracket, press enter. Again the same method. If it is the black cross, so just do double click, it will give you entire entities, and that must be equivalent to 449. Okay, this is 449 by the sum. Now we want the nature. We will do it the nature of the company in the last. The volume based on market value. To achieve this, the volume is this one, total of, for example, total of this column H for automobile industry. So we want the total of automobile industry as based on market value in million rupees. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the formula of sum if. I will open the formula as sum if. In sum if we have to assign two things. It is unlike the count if. If you are going to use the formula of sum f, you have to assign two ranges. Again, in count if, one range, in sum if, two ranges we have to assign to the formula. Okay, if you do not understand, please pause the video and understand this methodology, that where to use count f and where to use sum f. Okay, I'm going to use sum f because I want the total of each sector. I will open the formula. Okay, it's asking the range similar to count if. I will give the range that from this segment, and I will fix entire range, and I press comma. I want the total of automobile assembler, so I will select the total automobile assembler, but I will not fix this one because only ranges are fixed, not the other variables. Again I use the comma, and I want total from column H as total volume market value in millions, and again ranges should be fixed. So I will fix the ranges. I will close the bracket and I press enter. Oh my god, it's giving me the total. I will convert this in as accounting. So 194 million. The total of automobiles under is 194. We will cross check it at the end of this video. Okay, further same again, we are going to drag it down the entire sector. This, now we have to use total of each variable. So I'm going to use the sum, only sum. I'm going to use sum of this 449. It's okay, sum of this. So this number must be tallied with the total number of column H. So I'm going to tally this with column H. I will copy this and paste here as special by using Alt EF, and I will sum entire column H, and I will ask the difference between both of numbers. It must be 0. Yeah, it is 0. So that means calculated market share for each sector is right. Now it's time to assign them a ranks. I will use the formula of ranks, and ranks asks you two things. One, the number which you want to rank, and another one, the entire range, from where do you want to range. Again, variable which you want to range, rank, and the range from where you want to rank. So two things I'm going to use. One, I will open the formula of rank, just only rank by using tab. I want to rank this number from comma and this range, and I will fix it. I will close the bracket, press enter. So it ranges in 11. Again, I will double click it, or I will yes, I will double click it, and it will be ranged like this. Oh, my mind blowing. That's fine, that's good enough. Now I'm going to take out the market share of each sector. So simple command I'm going to use here. I will going to divide this number with entire market share, but the entire market share must be fixed, because I wanna ask the range from entire market share. I will fix this by using control just F4, and I press enter. I convert the market share into percentage, and again I'm just gonna double click here, entire market share. So that must be equivalent to 100. I will use sum. Yes, oh my god, I got each and everything. Now the task is not over. The task is not over. We have to assign, we have to assemble entire worksheet on the basis of rank. That number one rank must be coming on up, or the highest market contributor must be coming on highest. So I am going to select entire panel, this is all, and I am going to use the command of sort by going towards the data and the command of sorting command, and I'm going to sort out the entire panel by column F. I will uncheck this one because it will include the headers. Okay, F is for ranks. I want the smallest to largest rank. Yes, I can also find out, I can also sort it by largest, longest, smallest, and the smallest to largest. Okay, I press OK. Oh my god, the highest market share one coming on up, as I said before, and the best rank coming on number second. So these are the ranks assigned as 34. There are the 34 companies, 34 sectors and 34 ranking, and each company, each sector having its market share in Pakistan Stock Exchange. The highest market share contributing sector is commercial bank. So commercial bank is non-manufacturing. And now just find out what are the sectors which are non-manufacturing. So oil and gas manufacturing, tobacco manufacturing, power, pharma, textile, automobile, similar, oil and gas, insurance is non-manufacturing. I will press special here. This one is also investment bank, investment securities and others. And madarbas are also non-manufacturing. Leasing companies are the non-manufacturing firms. And yes, clause and mutual funds are non-manufacturing. Now we want the manufacturing firms, so we are going to use command of control G. We select entire this panel is a column from this panel. I've pressed control G. It will open this window. I'm going to select special. From special I'm going to select blank. From blank I will check OK. Now again I will paste special as text by using control ES. My God, there must be a problem. No issue. Manufacturing. Now I will copy this, select entire panel from there to there, control G, special, check blank, OK, and again paste as values. There we go, results in front of you. We made the data as very meaningful. Now what we are going to check, we are going to check, cross check. We are going to cross check volume based on market value. This one, these numbers must be checked out or cross checked once. By total we have checked it out, it's fine, it's okay, but individually we have to check as well. Now for that we have for that, if we want to check it out like this one, so what we are going to do, we are going to use the command of subtotal. Okay, select entire sheet to the last 450, row number 450, go to data and subtotal command. If you yes, it will ask you what do you want to subtotal. I said the total volume, column H, and I will OK it. It will do it itself, subtotal. So now the subtotal of automobile similar is this number, 194.66 million. So automobile similar, automobile similar, this one, 194.66623, which is matches from above equation. Fine. One more I just check and I will close this video. Commercial bank I'm going to check. The number is 1027381. Commercial bank up. The subtotal of commercial bank is 1027381. Fine, I think so. Numbers are okay. Now we can use this number in any sort of reporting, any sort of analysis. I think this is fine. We're just gonna format it and we just close this video by using APA style of table as formatting. I hope so. You must learn something from this one video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please like it, share it, and keep watching our channel with more informative videos. Thank you. Hasta la vista.